So, Rachel, are you enjoying your evening so far?
Oh, yeah, sure. It's good talking. And with the food coming out shortly, it's going to be great.
I can see that you're definitely a foodie, Rachel.
A lemon drop for you, ma'am, with salt on the rim as you ordered. And for you, sir, the Ray and Nevy white rum with a splash of Coke. I will be out with your food in a minute.
Thanks, Tina. You come with the drinks them really fast, though. Thanks.
Me, a foodie? You sure got that one right. Brandon, I really do like that scent you're wearing. It's just so refreshing. I really do like that personal hygiene is a thing for you.
Thanks, Rachel. You know, so me's a man take my personal hygiene serious, though. Some of my mother and father grew up still, you know, I couldn't be one of them like a pitney. They were just dirty and up and down in the streets and smell sweaty like that. Them always around me figure all a shower, man, so I grew that way there. And furthermore, I just grew up and I just love cologne different too. Love the different scents them, man, especially when time I step out in the street for come for a date with a beautiful lady like you. Now, if I put my best foot forward, man, Rachel, where you say, man?
You're too funny, Brandon.
You know, say, on a serious note, though, Rachel. You know, so me I get for really like you, though, me really want me here to start, go out more often and get to know each other on a serious level. What you say? We can do that.
I like you too, Brandon. We can definitely work on that.
And you know, to Rachel, you know, so me really need to make it up to you, though, fair. One night I went time with up on the little ends there when time the artist them perform and we did have to rush you out of the venue because me see Ashley and better than walk in. We need to go back on the little ends them and go take in some artists and have a drink and just sit down and hold a decent deep reasoning and just enjoy the moment. Because we did have to rush you the night then we not feel too good about it and we just want to make things right where I say we can make our next date back at that same spot.
Oh, yeah, sure. I like that spot and the artists were great. I'd love to go back there. That Diamond Leah girl, though, I'd love to see her again.
Well, it's a date then in Rachel. And I definitely make it worth your while to come out with me for a second time.
Okay, Brandon, I'll take your word for it.
You know, say boy better than really narrate me. I know me can't believe so that they all broke down place. Say boy better than one. Me good girl Ashley figure stay in. Could have bright. I could have woman like how me fan out the whole lot. Not true. Let me answer you. Hello? Mommy, where you say? What I going?
Oh, you never see smoke without fire. And that's why you run come back round here. Brandon, dash your true you go up more to yourself you better than. It stink on the street round a Boardville so you am better than they. Oh, you're so workless, girl.
Ah, boy, you see all them things, you know, mommy? Not go like what you hear on a Boardville, you know, mommy? Not go like that. It's a little argument me and Brendan have and him just say I want a little breeze, so me just pack my things them and come round at the yard. We just go on easy until me and him can work it out back. Me and Brendan soon good again, man. Not go like that, man.
Oh, you're so wicked and lie, like a girl. Oh, you're so wicked and lie and workless. You know what? You need to come take your little cockroaches them out of my place too, you know, because nobody feel like say you're going to make the bad boy come around and come kick off my door and kill me, you know. You're too workless. You get a nice, decent little young man. The first in your life you do something right, and you just had to go and mess it up. You're too workless, man. Come take out your cockroaches them out of my house before me have to fling them out on the front.
You see all them things, you know, mommy, you know, if you listen to people, you know, man, me say no go so, mommy, just cool them up, man, about dash out my things, them, man. Me I walk come round from the Boardville, right, and I'll come take my things. So no bother with the embarrassment, please, me I beg you. Please, mommy, no bother with the embarrassment, man.
And they talk about no bother with the embarrassment. And you come round with the embarrassment, make it stink on the road so you am better than the right, you know. You're too workless, Ashley, you're too workless. I don't know why I never lock all my leg when I you born, you know? Because all you shouldn't there. You're just big and workless and so. You not have not a goddamn use. Every time we try with you, everything we try with you as parents, you just decide so you gotta just cruff it out and turn out to be nothing but a big fat nothing. Come take your things them out of my house before me dash them out.
All right, mommy. All right. Calm down and mind the pressure start trouble you. Now come around about the villa and come take out my things, am I right? I gotta just come out and leave out of your space.
You try hurry up, cause you're not gonna get me in a mix up, you're not gonna make no gunman come kill me. More time me even ask God, you know, why your father never use a condom the night then? Cause all you wouldn't do.
Alright, mommy, done no, mommy, done me. I come take out my things, I'm just done. Why, Ashley? When it rains, it pours. Me have to go swallow my pride in a day and call back better than and take the little old pop down place and see how best me can fix it up and work with it. Me not have no other choice. Brandon nah take me back. Mother throw me out. It stink round about Villa now say me am better than they. So, we don't know what else is there to do. But I have to just go and back around the liquor built down place and go and make the best use of it. Boy, Miss Salt.
Yo, Ashley, how are you there? Where you go out? You know what's more you deal with a little small issue for me to do.
What kind of small issue you want me to deal with now better than? Make sure say no more foolishness I try to come get me twist up in her.
You know more I have to keep an eye on the boy Brandon there though, cause I want to know weigh him up to, you know, cause right now I feel like so Brandon a pray this thing up on a different level, you know. I mean to trust him certain way. Cause him a move one little half key away from what he is, you know. So I want you make sure so you get in there mid and find out where him a pray.
Brandon not talk to me again, you know. Anytime Brandon see me on the left, him go on the right. And if him see me on the right, him go on the left. He not even look me in the eyes. Anytime him see me, he just hold on him head and look the other direction and go on about in business. Brandon not use me not at all. Brandon not talk to me. Brandon not deal with me. So anytime you are tell me, say me if you go keep an eye on Brandon, I waste of time that car Brandon not talk to me not at all.
You hear what me said, oh girl Ashley. Keep an eye on Brandon. So whatsoever you have to do for friend him up, just do what you have to do for friend him up. Cause I need to know where my pre. So just do that and let me know where I go on.
And sure a lot more. You know, so I still want a little house to do. I can just work with it and fix it up and see how best me can make it work. Cause I don't have a choice right now. So just get the juvenile and go and clean it up. And I go walk come around the shortly here.
And which house that you talk about, girl Ashley? The same house where you just try style bad people about. The same house where you talk about all and broke down and you know want. Other house that you talk about.
Come on, no man better than man. I better make this thing harder for me than what it already is. Just get the juvenile them for go and clean up the place. I go walk come round on the ends and complete and see how best me can deal with it. Just deal with the thing, man. Can't take the stress.
Yo, my general, you know, so me a forward pan the ends come give a link right, you know, me need to chat to you about something well serious, my G. Me can't believe what I go on. Anyway, me I come give a link right, you know.
Yeah, man, me there on for the same the claims, the man where you left me this morning with Ashley, man. Come give me a link right there, so me there stand up with some juvenile and all her reasoning.
Yo, my general, you know what go on there, man, in here. I bet you never guess and tell me who called my phone. With beer badness back I too. The boy from over Jigo ends with them car country. Me don't know how that boy they get a bad man number and a call all man and a give man tough chat on the phone.
We are say tuggy. Country from over Jigo them ends. So what that boy they a call your phone for? Nah man, tell me what go on.
You know, so me not even know that big idiot boy the country come by bad man number and come out like him and tough chat on them phone. I send me off to send him up underneath all him mama and I morning and run him off from my phone, the general. But the thing about the call still in my boss. The boy I make me know say Brandon have a strap from off a females pan our ends over here so. So I start pray the thing deep and me I try to make sense out of it, but it nah make no sense. Me I try maths up the maths, but the maths just nah maths. Me no know what go on where that is concerned, my boss. Me no understand how Brandon fi go up on G-Glens and get strapped and carry it back for our ends. That just now make no sense. So that's why I say me have to come to you as a general right now to see if you can make the maths and make sense, because right now it just nah add up.
Well, you really just say a while ago, tuggy. Brandon go over upon Jigo ends and get a strap and carry it back on our ends. So Jigo them fee for give Brandon strap. That never makes sense none at all. Nah, man. No sound right about this, none at all. I wonder if a boy country try to set we up to go slap a Brandon for start a war over here. To make the police them come take set Palmer and jail way again or something. That just now add up. No man over Jigo ends now go give Brandon no strap, none at all. Brandon no bad man. Brandon no day nice streets like that. Brandon no link over this like that. I just from school days type of thing. So me not understand that youth. It really nah make no sense to show. Me not know what to make out of this. But one thing me know for sure, we have to make sure so the ends lack a certain way we can't take no check, because we don't even know how for just. And as me said to you this morning, you have to make sure so you alert the rest of killy them on the ground to keep a close eye on Brandon, because we don't know what that boy they really up to.
Wow, Tina. The food looks good. Thank you.
It no longer look good, Rachel. It smell good too.
I hope you two enjoy your meal, and I'll check back with you momentarily.
How is it, Brandon? Are you enjoying the food?
Yes, man, I will ask man, Rachel, the food bad. Tina, we can have the check ready for bunks and house today.
Here's the check, sir. I hope you enjoyed your meal, and I hope to see you again very soon.
No, sir. There's not so much for this a little bit of food. Then why them food officer there?
Shh, Brandon, tone it down. Can you handle it, or do you need some help with the bill?
Worry yourself, Rachel, man. We got this, man. I just true. Me never really expected the bill that this big. Jaja God. Up at them uptown place, yeah. Dear.
Okay, Brandon, yeah. That's how it is with these high-end restaurants.
Yeah, that me I see I going right I know, but anyways, let me walk to your car before it get dark.
Well, thanks for dinner, Brandon. It was really nice seeing you again. And our next date is on me, okay?
No, Rachel, the pleasure was definitely all mine. It was really great having dinner with you, and the food was excellent. So no, thank you.
Yo, Brandon, you know, say two officers tapped me earlier and since day after me let you off and I ask my for you still. Them want to check by you, see if you're good. So I don't know, you probably need to go link up Officer Brown or Officer Williams, or them did a travel together and I carry and ask me if you're good still, you see it?
Officer Brown, Officer Williams asked you for me. But I could have what them asked you for me for. That's strange. And the officers, them good a certain way, so I don't know why them would have check up on me like that. Not do me.
I don't know still what go on selling a Brandon, but he's just the messenger. I just make you know say them did check me, I look for you still, so I don't know what go on.
Alright, cabin, you say 40 man. Just drop me off down the road and I go over city, you see?
Brandon, stop right with fire there. Hold up your name in the air. No, don't move. Hold up your name in the air. No.
Yo, Brown, look out, the boy look like my big female. Yes, watch it.
No officer, don't shoot me, I hold up, man. No, officer, don't shoot me, I hold up, man.